This is Crypto Guru. Hello guys. So good morning. Let's take on this trade right now. Let's long uh tone slash USDT in the current market, right? So this is the analysis I made. We believe that this coin is going to hit TP. You can see right here, this is our TP, right? This is our TP right here. This is our stop loss right here, right? And this is my entry. So even right now, you can decide to enter this trade and you'll still make profit because we are just starting. We're just starting. So enter the trade. Let's trade together, guys. We're already on 11% profit, right? 10%. Let me say 10%. So this is our TP. In case you're just coming, this is our take profit. This is our stop loss, and this is our entry. So if you're just coming, you can enter this trade right now. Long tone slash USDT in the current market. Long tone slash USDT in the current market. So this is our take profit. This is our SL, and this is my entry. So if you're just coming, you can see long this market. So in case you are just maybe noticing that there's not any analysis or candlestick or any indicator in this trade, you have nothing to worry about. I've already done my analysis, and this trade I'm just trying to share a signal with you guys. I'm just trying to share a signal with you. So if you are here this morning and you want to trade, go right now and long tone slash USDT. Long tone slash USDT, whether on Binance, on Bybit, on Get. Go and long tone. Already on this trade, I'm already on profit, right? You can see it right here. I'm already on 11% profit. We are just even starting, right? I've already set my TP. Let me show you my TP. Let me show you my TP, right? So this is my take profit. I'll make times 45% of my capital, right? In this trade, which is just 18 USDT. I entered this trade with only 40 USDT, and you can see my stop loss. So make sure you manage risk. Make sure you manage risk. Risk management is very, very important. Here is another thing I want you to understand. By the time maybe the trade is going against you, you are not going to lose that much, right? That is why you always manage risk. If you are talking about risk management, leverage is one of the things you have to understand, right? They are talking about risk management. Leverage is very, very important. The higher your leverage, the higher your winning, and the higher you lose in the market if the trade is going against you. So just make sure that your leverage is not that high, use 10x leverage. Like I just showed you, use 10x leverage, because if you're using 10x leverage, you will still make profit in this market, or 15x leverage. Let me give you this risk management strategy. If you have like 50 USDT in this trade, you can use 15x leverage, right? Is good for your risk management. And also, let me say, if you are trading with 100 USDT, use only 10x leverage, because if you have 100 USDT and you want to enter the current market, you use 10x leverage, they are going to double it times 10, which is around 1000 USDT, and is enough for you to long this trade and make profit. So for anybody who entered this trade with 100 USDT, is going to make, at least if this market executes according to our plan, the person is going to make 45 USDT, right? So if this trade hits our take profit, you're going to make 45 USDT according to my stop loss, right? You can see our stop loss right here is 3.0044 on Tone/USDT market. 3.0044. This is our take profit. And if you observe very well, I entered this trade since, so my own stop loss is around 2.8496. Now, why did I set my stop loss below this support line? Here is the thing, right? This is a reversal, right? The market was on downward trend, and right now the market reversed and is going to an upward trend, right? This candlestick right here is a bullish candlestick, right? Is a reversal candlestick right here. This candlestick you're seeing right here is a reversal candlestick. So for you to set good SL, which is stop loss, you have to set it below the support line. If you are on longing, right? If you're longing the market, you have to set it below this support line. And also, if you want to make your take profit, let your take profit be uh, close to the resistance line. As you can see right here is the resistance line, but I set my take profit here because sometimes the market will reverse after reaching close to the uh resistance line. The market will reverse before going up again, right? So I can decide just to put my own TP right here in case the market just hit this line, this my TP, the market will execute before any retracement. I hope you're understanding, guys. So if you know you are really enjoying this trade and you believe in this trade, kindly drop a like for us, and then go back to your own uh Bybit account or any account that you have little capital, and then you enter this market. Trust me, you're going to make money, right? You're going to make profit. This is for sure. I've already done my analysis, so in case if you are not seeing any indicators or anything, just know that I've already done my analysis, and in this trade we are going to make profit, right? So it has been long I've been posting my winning, uh I've been losing some trades and I've been making profit. But one thing I want you to know is that risk management is the best. Risk management is the best. If you don't know how to manage risk, even if you make profit in the market, you will still lose, right? Even if you make profit, you still lose because you lack risk management. Here is the one thing: whenever you trade and make profit, right? If you want to boost that account, let me say you have 100 USDT, or let me say you have 50 USDT, and you want to boost that 50 USDT to 100 USDT. What you need to do is, after making at least, let me say, 20 USDT in the market, you can decide to remove 15 USDT and keep aside, right? Then you keep trading with that 50 or 60 USDT, right? And whenever your own capital is increasing, you have to reduce your leverage. It's very, very important. Reduce your leverage, because if your own capital is increasing and you don't reduce your leverage, you can still lose in the market, because your leverage is very high. The higher your leverage, the risk you are getting your capital in the market. So you have to lower your leverage whenever your capital is increasing. So that's good part of it. In case you are yet to enter this trade, just go to Binance, Bybit, any crypto exchange that there's the Tone coin. The Tone coin is already listed. Go there and long Tone in the current market. I know a lot of people want to know, how can I long in the market? How can I long? A lot of you guys doesn't know how, to use signals. To use signals is very, very simple. If you have, let me give you example on this Bybit app. If you have your own capital on unified trading, right? Let me go back to my asset, right? Let me tap on asset right here. You just come to trade, right? You tap on trade like this. After tapping on trade, maybe you might see it on support, right? You see this is spot, right? This is spot right here. So what am I going to do? I'm going to tap on futures. I'll just tap on futures. So if this say you should long in the market, you tap right here. You tap trade. After tapping on trade, it's going to show you this. You see, I tapped on trade and the thing changed like this. So if your balance is right here, you select your leverage. Guys, I'm doing it in case for those that doesn't know how to enter the market. You tap on leverage, right? You tap on leverage, you select 15x leverage if your capital is not above 100 USDT. But if your capital is above 100 USDT, you tap on this leverage and change it to 10, right? You change it to 10. I don't have any current balance now, but I'm just showing you example. You change it to 10. After changing it to 10, then you drag this line, which is Hello guys, so we're back in the trade. Let's make profits, right? So as you can see, our trade is moving accordingly, and we believe that this our trade is going to hit take profit. So I've been seeing somebody that is in this live since. Please drop a like also, and then let me open comment section. Comment section is open, right? So make sure you drop comments. Make sure you drop a comment. Yes, make sure you drop a comment. Make sure you drop a comment, guys. So let's see how this trade is going to play out. One thing is in trading is patient, right? So it's not for you just seeing red candlestick maybe and you start doubting that this trade is not going to hit TP, right? So you can see right here, according to this our market right now, the trade is moving accordingly, and by the grace of God, we are going to hit take profit because right now we are on 14% profit, right? You can see it right here. We're on 14% profit. So if you want to check it, you can just come right here. You can see we're on 15% profit. So the trade is moving accordingly. We're expecting two long candlestick to make sure that we hit our TP. Two long candlestick. We're praying for two long candlestick, guys, so that we will hit our TP immediately. Yes. Let's see what is going to play. Let's wait for the magic candlestick. Let's wait for the magic candlesticks. Yeah. The market is going accordingly. And if you're yet to enter this trade, just go and enter this trade. Then if you want to set your stop loss, you can set your stop loss below, right? Let me show you. If you want to enter this market right now, you can enter break even. You can set your candlestick. You can set your TP here, your SL, sorry, I mean set your SL right here, and then you set your take profit the same place I set my own take profits, and then we make profit together. So in this, we are expecting retracement. After retracement, then the market will still go up. So in case you are seeing any red candlestick